This guide provides instructions on how to navigate to Workspot Watch and Workspot Trends. Begin by ensuring that your Workspot control account has a company identifier configured. To check this, sign in to Workspot Control, select Setup, then Configuration, and look for the Company Identifier section. This identifier is specific to your organization. If it's missing or you're unable to add it, contact Workspot for help, as access to Workspot Watch and Workspot Trends requires this configuration. Below the Company Identifier section, you'll find links to Workspot Watch and Workspot Trends. Clicking on these will direct you to their respective login pages, where you should use your Workspot control credentials. Alternatively, if you already have your company identifier, you can directly visit Workspot Watch and Workspot Trends using their URLs watch.workspot.com/ and your company identifier, and trends.workspot.com/ and your company identifier, respectively.